dames en heren. Mijn naam is Anneke Mannert, ik ben op deze Vluchttour Senior Purser. First van Economy Class is de heer Rob Dikken. Namens gezag door Oudijk en zijn mannen heet u nogmaals hartelijk welkom aan boord. Een bijzonder welkom onze Flying Blue Sky Easily Purser in Italië. We zijn nu gereed voor ons vertrek naar Salt Lake City. Met een vliegtijd ongeveer 9 uur en 10 minuten. Dames en heren, het is oprecht zijn te controleren of uw mobiele apparatuur met een antenne inmiddels in de airplane mode staat. Na enkele ogenblikken laat u het film zien over de veiligheidsvoorziening aan boord van dit vliegtuig, waarvoor graag uw aandacht. Once again, a very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Anneke Mannert and I'm your senior purser on board of this flight. First in economy class is Mr. Rob Dicken. On behalf of Captain Oudijk and his crew, I would like to welcome you on board again. A special welcome for our Flying Blue Sky Elite Facility members. We are now ready for our departure to Salt Lake City. Flying time approximately 9 hours and 10 minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, will you please be so kind as to check whether your mobile equipment with an antenna is switched to airplane mode. And in a few moments we'll show a film about the safety provisions on board of this aircraft. May I request your attention?
Adjust your seat, but call a crew member. Larger devices, such as laptops, should be stowed before taxi, takeoff and landing, either in an overhead bin or in a bag under the seat in front of you. Once the fasten seatbelt sign is off, you may use these devices when set to airplane mode. This is a non-smoking flight. This means smoking on board the aircraft is not allowed. This includes the use of electronic cigarettes. Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, your seatbelt must be fastened. For your own safety, keep your seatbelt fastened and visible during the flight, even when the seatbelt sign is switched off. To release the seatbelt, just lift the buckle. If there's a sudden decrease in cabin pressure, your oxygen mask will drop automatically in front of you. Pull the mask towards you to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Make sure your own mask is well adjusted before helping others. Should we have to evacuate the aircraft over water, there's a life vest located under your seat or under the center armrest. Open the bag and remove the vest. Place it over your head and pull the strap tightly around your waist. When you're outside the aircraft, inflate your life vest by pulling the red tag. The life vest can be refilled using the mouthpiece. Contact with water will automatically switch on the lights. Emergency exits are located on each side of the cabin, at the front, in the center, and at the rear. In the unlikely event of an emergency evacuation, follow the illuminated escape path to the nearest exit. Leave all your carry-on luggage behind and follow the instructions of the crew. Please take a moment now to locate the nearest emergency exit. Be aware, the exit may be behind you. It's almost time for the final cabin check.